In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an upgraded version of Murf AI so that you can create more advanced voiceovers and get access to a lot of other features. So just use the link in the description to go to Murf AI and just sign up for a free account. And just follow the simple steps right here, enter your email and password or sign up through one of these. And once you've done that, after you log in, your homepage should look something like this. And then you just click the upgrade plan right here. And so here you can see they've got a bunch of different plans. They've got the basic, the pro, and the enterprise. And so according to them, the pro is the most popular and they've got lots of features here. It's 26 bucks a month USD. And I think that's pretty reasonable. You can save a lot of money compared to paying like someone like $50, $60 for a single voiceover. So it's much cheaper than actually hiring someone to do it for you. And they've got different options here. And then the pro one has lots of different features that are probably useful for most people, including high priority support, over 120 different voices that you can choose from, including basic and pro. So I hope you found this video useful and you can sign up for a free account using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.